Okay. Come on. Come here. Come here. To honor little Ray, my dog that just passed away, his favorite food was French fries. So I'm giving everybody French fries. And I left 3 French fries with him so he could be cremated. He could be cremated with them. So he was 15 years and 3 months old. Little Ray's favorite food was French fries. He just wasn't allowed to have them alone. Today is cage cleaning day. That's why Mozart's cage is so messy. Here you go, Mozart. Here's a French fry. It's for you. Here's a French fry. Here you go. Good girl. Henry. Here. Here's your French fry. It's for you. Dakota. Here. Here's a French fry. Good girl. Mango needs her beak trimmed. I have to do that later. Here you go. Sunny, here's a French fry. Riley, come here. Jack, Emmett, come here. There's 2 French fries for you. And then parakeets. Here you go, guys. Here's some French fries. Here you go. Here's some French fries. Cody's a plucker, unfortunately. Here's your French fry. Good girl. Hi, Ollie. Ollie, come here. Want French fry? Here you go. Jasper, you want a French fry? No? Bailey, here's a French fry. Just for you.